Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings and just swipe down and turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, and you will see and turn on power saving button. After turn on power saving button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset accessibility settings. After click on reset accessibility setting, click on reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix non-notification sound issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.